very cute doll, very sweet and cute doll at Panda Kitchen. She is Zarmala. Hello Zarmala. Hi, how are you? Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Sir, cordially most welcome at Panda Kitchen.
Thank you.
अभी आप सर चिकन टेंडर स्टेक विद क्रीमी मशरूम सॉस ट्राई कर रहे हैं. सर, हाउ इज द टेस्ट?
It is really delicious, like
Okay.
very tender and juicy.
Okay.
I would highly recommend to come over here and try these mushrooms.
Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you. So, wow. It's so cheesy. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Panda Kitchen Zindabad. So, wow, it's spicy chicken. Seems to be very delicious. Wow, wow. Spicy chicken at Panda Kitchen. Seems to be very delicious. Wow. Panda Kitchen Zindabad. Baize chicken Zindabad. Assalamu alaikum, Hania. Hi, how are you? Cordially most welcome at Panda Kitchen. Ji, assalamu alaikum. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
What's your good name?
My
Mashallah, and welcome at Panda Kitchen.
Thank you.
You people are regular guests of Panda Kitchen, okay? Am I right? And you are trying pepper steak, okay? As usual, right? You are a regular guest. Am I right?
Yes.
How is the taste? Okay. Okay. Tender as well? Yes. Gee. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. जी व्यूवर्स, अभी मैं अपने ब्रांच पांडा किचन पे हूँ. तो आज मैं अपने बच्चों से वेरी स्वीट किड्स से रिव्यू ले रहा हूँ, फूड रिव्यू एट पांडा किचन. जी हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू? अस्सलाम वालेकुम. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Walaikum assalam. Oh, may I ask your name? What's your good name? Zayan. Aruj. Aruj and Zayan. How is your experience at Panda Kitchen? You have tried momos. How was the taste? अच्छा था? बहुत अच्छा था या अच्छा था? बहुत अच्छा. Thank you so very much for your very sweet and precious visit. Thank you so much. Thank you. Very sweet kids. Thank you. To serve you cheesy baba at Panda Kitchen, which is so awesome, delicious and cheesy as well. So wow, it's so cheesy. Cheesy baba Zindabad. Panda Kitchen Zindabad. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Cordially most welcome at Panda Kitchen.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, just you are trying our Chinese dish, chicken chili dry, right? Ma'am, how's the taste?
It is really good.
Okay.
The chicken is really good and the chili flavor is giving a sumptuous flavor in the food and in the rice.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
I'm here at Cuttest.
Okay.
तो जल्दी से आपको छोटा सा क्विक रिव्यू दे देती हूँ।
Okay.
एवरी वीक मेरा एवरी विजिट होता है।
Okay.
यहाँ का फूड बहुत अच्छा है।
Okay.
Environment बहुत इजी है। उसका तो सर्विस भी बहुत अच्छी है।
Thank you.
मैंने ऑलमोस्ट इनका चाइनीज इनका थाई और इनका फास्ट फूड भी मैंने ट्राई किया। चाइनीज एंड थाई तो मेरा फेवरेट है।
Thank you so much.
हाईली रिकमेंडेड है कि आप इधर आए लास्ट में।
Thank you so much. Wow, so cheesy. Cheesy Baba, Zindabad. Panda Kitchen, Zindabad. Thank you. Mashallah, a very sweet couple at Panda Kitchen. Cordially most welcome, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Sir.
The food was really yummy,
Okay,
tender and juicy.
okay.
Panda Kitchen Zindabad.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Cordially most welcome at Panda Kitchen.
Thank you.
You have tried our food. How is your experience?
Very yummy. And it serves very good Chinese food. Chinese food is very authentic.
Okay,
And each and everything is very delicious.
okay,
And they serve also American food and Chinese food.
thank you so very much. Thank you. जी व्यूवर्स, अभी मैं अपने ब्रांच पांडा किचन पे हूँ। तो आज मैं अपने बच्चों से, वेरी स्वीट किड्स से रिव्यू ले रहा हूँ, फूड रिव्यू एट पांडा किचन। जी हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू? अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Walaikum assalam. Oh, may I ask your name? What's your good name? Zayan. Aruj. Aruj and Zayan. How is your experience at Panda Kitchen? You have tried momos. How was the taste? अच्छा था? बहुत अच्छा था या अच्छा था?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा. Thank you so very much for your very sweet and precious visit. Thank you so much. Thank you.